Liberian rice bread is a popular and traditional dish in Liberia, often enjoyed as a snack or breakfast item. It's a moist and flavorful bread made primarily from rice flour, bananas, and sometimes coconut. Here's a step-by-step recipe to make Liberian rice bread. Ingredients: 2 cups rice flour, 1 cup mashed ripe bananas, about 2 to 3 bananas, half a cup sugar, half a cup melted butter or vegetable oil, 1 cup coconut milk or regular milk, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional, half a cup grated coconut for added texture. Instructions: preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan or line it with parchment paper. Prepare the wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, mash the ripe bananas until smooth. Add the sugar, melted butter, or vegetable oil, eggs, coconut milk, and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Combine dry ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together the rice flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. If you are adding grated coconut, mix it in as well. Mix wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the bread dense. Pour into the pan. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and spread it evenly. Bake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for about 45 to 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the bread comes out clean. The top should be golden brown. Cool. Allow the rice bread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve. Once completely cool, slice the rice bread and serve. It can be enjoyed on its own or with a spread of butter. Tips: for extra flavor, you can add spices like nutmeg or cinnamon to the batter. If you don't have rice flour, you can make your own by grinding white rice in a blender or food processor until fine. Enjoy your homemade Liberian rice bread.